Welcome to Simplekidscrafts.com, episode 777, How to Fix a Doll's Broken Knee. Today we will focus on repairing the knee of a doll that has articulations, like Barbie's, Monster High, and Ever After High. These dolls' articulations look similar to this bead. When the knee is broken, the peg is left on the upper thigh, and the top of the articulation is left on the lower part of the leg. To fix this, we will use a method similar to the method that I use for fixing dolls' hands. Take a push pin and remove the pin. Heat up the pin with a candle and make holes on both the upper thigh and the leg. Make sure that this is done by an adult so that you don't damage the doll and burn yourself. Before making the hole on the leg, make sure that the peg is centered in the straight position. Once you have reached the desired depth, apply a bit of super glue on the leg. Attach the pin and wait until it dries, and then insert the lower leg. Apply glue again to the upper leg and the pin. Apply pressure to both parts to join them. Let it dry, and then test that the leg can rotate and bend as it did originally. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share, comment, rate, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I will see you on the next video. Bye!